What's up, chat? Welcome back to our weekly episode of trading a $10 account in 365 days. Now, this is another week that we showed up, did our best, and left the rest for the market. Well, did we really do our best? I don't know. We will find out as we go through. So before we dive into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment how your trading week was in the comment section, and you can also share this video to anyone who want to be part of this challenge. So we are diving right into it, and this week was kind of, would I say, sad, or would I say eye-opening? Well, I don't know. I don't really know how to put it, but a lot happened this week, and let's dive right into it and find out. So at the start of the week, we had a position on Bitcoin, which was not really a start of the week, but technically that was our first trade, so we could say the start of the week, but it wasn't really the start of the week. It was on Wednesday. We took the trade on Wednesday, so that's about midweek. So the trade was on Bitcoin, and that trade was a sell trade. Let's check that out. So it was a sell trade. Yes, this is it. It was a sell trade that stopped us out for a loss. So as you can basically see the reasoning behind the trade. Price was reacting from here. Price reacting from here. Then you can see the break of structure, a retracement, break, a retracement to this zone. Then, so when this break happened, and this one down here also happened, I should have just waited and set my entry around this other block, as you can see, for the sales, but I rather entered from here, this zone right here. So the typical SMC trader will say that I got induced. They will say I got induced. I was the money, I was the liquidity for the move. So this was the position on Bitcoin that stopped us out for a loss, as you can see. Went stopped, reacted a little, went up to the stop loss, then it came down. Though it didn't get to our purported take profit, but it still came down. And if I had taken it from here, I would have hit full dip. So that was it. On Wednesday, took us for a loss for $1, which is 100 cents. And on to the next trade, which was on GBP USD. So on GU also, we had a trade on Thursday, or was it the same Wednesday? Either Wednesday or Thursday, one of them. I don't know. Let me check. Okay, so it was the same Wednesday we had this trade on GBP USD, and as you can see, my reasoning for this trade was simple. I think it came from the 1 minute time frame. Price was moving higher, and then price reacted from this zone, broke this structure, came here. So when price was somewhere around there, I think I was in the 1 minute time frame, and there was something I saw that made me take this trade. So in the 1 minute time frame, I'm coming, a minute. Good. So in the 1 minute time frame, this is what I saw. In the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, price had like this week here, then broke the structure. So when price came back and I saw price around here, I just entered. And to be safe, if I place my stop loss right about here, 1:5, as you can see, price moved well over 1:3, almost 1:3. It moved for 1:3, and it came back to hit my SL. And as you know, I don't trade with break even, either SL or TP. So I was pretty much, I don't know, this trade. I was wondering because price was further up, so I knew it would sell, but I was just skeptical. I was just taking the risk. So price did this and straight to my SL, and that was it on that Wednesday. So we took 2 losses on that day, that particular day. And yeah, I think I also did something because I broke my rule over there. I broke my rule because for this challenge, I remember the rule was taking only 1 trade per day. So how come I jumped into 2 trades? So that was it. I broke my rule over there, and yeah, that's it. So that was it for Wednesday. And on Friday we also took, no, it was on Thursday. I think that was the last trade we took for the week. We took just 3 trades. So on Thursday we took another position on gold, and guess the outcome. We took another position on gold, and there was a loss as well. So 3 losing trades in a row this week. It's a bit stressful, but what would I say? What can I say? All I can say is to keep moving on, because I don't know. I've stated that anytime I kind of have a good week and I feel like, yeah, I'm back on track, everything is good. The next week I just mess everything up. Yeah, and it's just, that's just the way it is. So I'm just hoping to improve. One thing I've also noticed for like a very long time, I don't know since when, I've not even had like 2 winning trades in the same week before. I don't know. Before, I've seen that one of my major problems is that after I get a win, the journey to getting another win is that's where like all the problems are. Then you realize I enter some massive drawdown. It's just crazy. I don't know. It's just crazy. So this was a trade on gold as well. As you can see, this trade, I think it was here. I saw this break, positioned here, and price just swept my SL and moved into my direction. So that's it for this week. That was everything we did. And as I said earlier, I don't know, it's just kind of stressful. Our account is now back in drawdown again, and I'm still improving. So hopefully, I don't know, we do better. Yeah, we do better. So let's go to the journaling platform and see what we got so far. Right, as you can see, this is a journaling platform, and you can see where the account sits now. Win rate has dropped to 21.2%. Now we are down minus 246 cents, which is about $2. And so far the month of June has been only losses, 4 losses in a row, down minus 39.77%, minus 500 cents, which is about $5. So like we've just sunk. We've basically sunk. As you can see, the last time we went this deep was, I don't know, was this March or May? Yeah, and now just as we try to recover a little, we are back in it. So I don't know, we are going to see what happens next. Obviously the month is not over yet, so I hope that we can come back up, and it's my prayer that we do so. But till then, let's just keep getting better and improving. I will see you in the next one. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to drop how your trading week was in the comment section. Rate your trading week for me and let me see. Mine, I don't know, minus 10%. And I don't know. I don't really know. Because it's just what it is. Yeah. Hopefully we improve. See you next week.